Welcome back to Science with Emmanuel. My name is Emmanuel, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider to subscribe. Now, do you ever have arguments at home about leaving appliances on and wasting electricity? In this video, we are going to look at measuring energy use in electrical appliances. The unit of energy is the joule. However, when dealing with electricity, we actually use watts. A watt is a measure of power where 1 watt is equivalent to 1 joule per second. So a 100 watt light bulb uses 100 joules of energy every second. An electrical device will have a power rating. This is the amount of electrical energy the device needs to work. We can calculate how much electrical energy a device transfers by multiplying the power rating W by the amount of time the device is on for in hours. The unit of electrical energy transferred is the watt hours, or Wh. This is likely to be a very large number, so we usually give the number as kilowatt hours, where 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hours. Let's look at an example. A computer has a power rating of 250 watts. If it's used for 6 hours, how much energy is transferred to it? Can you substitute the values into our equation? Pause the video and work it out. Did you get 1500 watts hour or 1.5 kilowatt hour? So how much will that cost to use? Choose some of these countries and work it out how much it will cost to use a computer for 6 hours. Did you get it right? This differs between countries, different companies within a country, and even different tariffs from the same company. Try this example. Pause your video while you work it out. Did you get 4.4 kilowatt hour and saw a cost of 62 pence? A whole office of computers, the price starts to clock up quite quickly, and that is before we think about the lights and charging our phones. So perhaps you can see the importance of switching off devices. It saves money and helps us waste less energy. Thank you for watching. Let's catch up on our next video on Science with Emmanuel.